Hello guys, welcome to Educate Andhra. Myself is Prabhakar. In this video, we are going to discuss a unique interview question which was asked in the HCL company. Okay, so the requirement here, right? There is a telecom company which is Airtel in India. The telecom company name is Airtel. So this company holds customers call history. Let's say there is a customer A made a call to customer B. He is a caller and he is the receiver, and the duration happened is 10 seconds. In another call, customer B made a call to customer A. Here caller is a B and receiver is A. The duration is 20 seconds. Okay, and in another call A made a call to customer C, duration is 5. Here right, D made a call to E and E made a call to D. The durations are 10 and 30 seconds. So what is the output that we are expecting? So here right, the call can be from A to B or B to E. That should be considered as only one call from the customer A to customer B, and we need summation of these two durations. Here right, the call is made between A and C, but there is no reverse call between C and A. That's why we should consider AC, and the duration is as is 5 seconds. But here the call between D and E happened twice. So we should consider it as only one transaction in the final output, and customer A or customer 1 is D, customer 2 is E. The duration is 10 plus 30 equal to 40. So the ultimate agenda here, right, the call can go to from A to B or B to A. That should be A to B in the output, so that end user can easily understand between A and B, between the customer, what is the total duration. So that's the problem statement. Now let's see. So we have this data in BigQuery table. So we have 5 transactions between the multiple customer A, B, C, D and E. Okay, now we have to write a SQL query that gives us this output. Okay, but if you observe carefully, right, we are taking A and B and B and A as A and B in the output, which means you take this caller and receiver, use the least function in a BigQuery to get the minimum value first, comma great or greatest to get the maximum value. So let's see how to implement this. So here caller receiver, I just add comma least caller comma receiver as customer 1. See? When I write this function, so here right, we got, let me sort this data in ascending order. Okay, so take this AB BA. From A and B the minimum value is A, from B and A the minimum value is A. Now the customer 1 for these two transactions is A. So like that we can use greatest, same thing. Okay, caller comma receiver as customer 2. See, now what is the output is going to be in the customer 2. Let me sort the data in ascending order. Just look at A and B, B and A. So here write the least value from this two is A. The great value, highest value from this two of B, from this two of B. So when we apply the group by on this customer and 1 and customer 2, we'll get only one record or only one combination, and we can use sum of duration. Okay, now let me remove this star. I'll just use duration. We have the customer 1 and customer 2. See, AB, AB, 10 and 20. So like that, there is a transaction between or call between D and E, D and E. So it should be 10:30. Now after that, what I'll do, I will use a group by 1 comma 2. I make the summation of duration. Sum of duration is a total duration. Total underscore duration. Now let's see what is the output that we are going to receive. Let me put this data in ascending order. Okay, from A to B the total duration is 30 seconds. See here, A to B 30 seconds, A to C 5 seconds, it's matching. D to E is 40 total. So we simply used least and greatest, and we just passed these two columns, caller and receiver, and we just providing the least value in the customer 1 and the highest value in the customer 2. So for these two records, from A to B and B to A, the least and greatest value is going to be the same. That's why finally we got only one record. So and the summation is 30. Like that for D to E and E to D, the summation is going to be 40 seconds. So that's how by using this least and greatest functions in a BigQuery we can solve these kind of problems, especially this bidirectional calls from A to B, B to A to C, A to D. So these kind of directional calls, right? So we can solve easily by using least and greatest functions in a BigQuery. So that's it guys, that's it about this video. We'll catch you in the next video.